Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I will show you how to make hair condition. So I have green orange and honey. Okay, so first of all we need to make juice from this orange. I need 2 spoons of green orange juice. So half of green orange can make enough juice for 2 spoons. To mix it with 2 spoons of water. And of course, what we need the most is raw honey. We need only 1 spoon of raw honey. So keep stirring like this until it makes a good mixture. Look, now we have the hair conditioner, so stay tuned and watch how I use it. Let's go. So first time I need to wash my hair with shampoo. After I wash out the shampoo, I will apply my hair conditioner. And let's see how it works. Thank you guys for watching till now, and I hope you like my videos, and don't forget to subscribe and comment and like and share these videos to your friends. I also include the result at the end of the videos. Please don't forget to watch it. Thank you. So this is our final hair conditioning. I will apply it and leave it on my hair for about 10 minutes before I wash it out. So let's see the result at the end of the videos. Thank you. So this is my shining hairs after I use the hair conditioner. Thank you.